D-Market back at it again with another vlog. Today, it's probably gonna be about this motherfucker right here being temperamental, not want to cooperate. Yeah, ain't been wanting to start. I've been having the roll started. So today, we're gonna figure out what the fuck is wrong. But first, let me get some breakfast, because I'm hungry. Yeah. Alright, so done got back from getting breakfast, done ate. So now we got a little bit of energy to get this shit done. A little bit better mood. But in the process of tearing this down, so we can take all the things off. Figure out exactly what the fuck is wrong, because the starter is up in there. Y'all can see it. But yeah. So we working.
Put the second jack on the motherfucker. That little flip's edge will go in there.
Where you gonna put it at? Oh, on the same side?
Same side.
Anyway.
You get up.
Huh?
You get up.
Get out where?
And you can ride the motherfucker.
This bitch is broke.
Oh, shit. Oh, damn. You rocking like this.
Can't ride nowhere.
Nowhere.
Like I said, I'm getting all I'm getting is clicking from the relay. So the relay is working. The only other thing I decide that it'll be is the starter, which, like I showed you guys earlier, the starter is, well, let's look at the bike since I got it all torn apart right now. But yeah, starter's down in there. We have the tank loose. Everything. Pour the tank. Get down there to the starter. But yeah, I don't really know how much is involved in switching it out and how long it's gonna take, or went to school for working on cars, but bikes, I guess it's essentially the same thing, just all put together a little different. So we're gonna learn it though. But either way, I have both sides taken apart. Fairings. So yeah. But big ass 24s. Not these big motherfuckers. Alright, yo. So, as y'all probably gonna see at the beginning of this vlog, I take my bike apart. It's the fairings in the corner. Yep. On top of the little mini vacuum anyway. And the bangs. Either way. Told y'all I don't know really a whole lot about bikes. And I felt like I checked the battery good enough. I never took it anywhere and had it tested, which I know is a possibility. Just like a car battery, it can have a dead cell or something like that that's not working right. So either way, backstory, didn't ride my bike for like 2 weeks, maybe 3. It's been sitting in the garage. The battery ends up dying, or so what I thought. I go, roll start it, jump it, and I ride a good 40 minutes to an hour thinking, hey, it should be charged. Okay, one stop, Started back up, starts right up. Cool. We're good. Not so much. But either way, I go to the next stop and go do what I gotta do. It's actually canceling my gym membership at Planet Fitness, but cancel the membership, go back, get on the bike, hit the button, nothing. Lights come on, doesn't start though. So now I'm looking like an idiot in Planet Fitness's parking lot, pushing my bike to roll start it and get it started, ride it back home. It doesn't start again. So either way, I was thinking like, hey, maybe it's a starter, because I wasn't, like, all battery power seemed normal. And so I checked it with the voltmeter. It's putting out voltage. I took the whole bike apart. Well, not the whole bike, but the fairings off the bike, and unbolted the tank. So I'm gonna be putting that back together now, because I did order a Neptune gel battery for motorcycles and shit. So which was like 30 bucks, so it's pretty cheap. Right. But the front nose fairing, it stayed on. But took all this apart. Let's testing the starter down here, like I've showed y'all probably a million times on this video. The tank unbolted, that bolt's in there, but it's not really in there. There's gel battery instead of regular battery. This advanced battery. But apparently, talked to a guy that knows a lot more about bikes than I do, as far as working on them anyways. And he said those little batteries can look like they last long, or look like they're testing okay and everything, but it could still be bad. So, but yeah, I mean, it's what it is, but it starts. As you can see, I got freaking little tools over here on me. Testing it. Yeah, turn key, lights, button, start. Okay, I'm not gonna do that too loud though, because that bitch is loud as fuck, and the neighbors might be upset. But it's a weekend night anyway, so fuck it. So tomorrow we're gonna try to go find a GoPro mic adapter and see if we can get some moto vlogs going. Oh look, now this little light wants to work. So this will probably be a separate vlog than the one I'll make tomorrow of riding. But hey, I gotta get some more content out there, and y'all know anybody that watches YouTube that ain't subscribed, tell them to subscribe to the channel. Share it with your people. Anybody that likes motorcycle car content, I'm gonna try to link up with some people. I got a few people in mind, and then I'm also gonna try to start getting out of my shell and reaching out to people and like trying to collab, or not even like as far as collab with YouTubers. It's just like people that, like, you know, have a cool car and want to show it off, and you know, yeah. So, but we'll see. But anyways, this is D-Mark. This has been Driven My Dreams with the non-motorcycle mechanic. And yeah, we out. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.